Hello everyone and welcome back to Springlock Lab Animatronics. Today I will be finally showing you the Endo again. As you remember in the last video, I pointed out that there was technical difficulties. Those difficulties was trying to make code for this little guy right here working. This is because, as you can see, this mess of wires was starting to overload the circuit board. But eventually, I was able to get it to comply and make it move as I wanted to. And today, I will be showing you that first animation test. It took me a bit to get this ready, as you remember I made the arm code here, showing the servo positions and plotting out. And I have to do the same for here, where I plotted out the servo's positions here with the 90 degrees, the 0 degrees, 35 degrees. And then I plotted out actual how the code would look and made that. That's then let me code it onto here. In hindsight, I should have made a backup version, but the only existing version, since I never saved it on paper, was the one on this board, which I used in the video. But now I have a saved version on paper and on computer. I also was then have to merge it with the ARM code after to try and get it to work. And I can show you the first attempt here if I plug it in right now. You can see it opens and it starts to move its eyes. You've seen this before. But now the arms raise and it waves its hands like it did before. So some kinks that I accidentally made it fully extend like that. But as you can see, this is showing promise now. It's able to move the head and the arm. I'm still dealing with power issues, as now that the head is plugged in, it's depriving some powers from the arms, causing it to glitch out after a bit, but I might be able to get those eventually. Another thing I was able to do was get the right hand printed, as if you can see here, the hand here, this was the old hand. It was misprinted and broken. You can see the fingers didn't print. But now here, on the new hand, you can see a full arm ready for use. I was able to do this after editing some printer settings, turning on the fans and a bit more things. And that let me print the hands. So this Endo is basically fully complete. And after I work with it for a bit longer, I can start moving into other projects, as this isn't the only one that I will use. But I will probably at one point soon in the near future, maybe in a few weeks or something, once I model a bit more, prepare some stuff, I'll try to get a shell on this, as I stated in the other videos with these pieces where it can slide on. I'll try to get like an arm piece that will slide onto the arm piece right there. Maybe try and get a shell. I'm thinking of a spring Bonnie shell like this one. And I will try to put it on the head right here. But I, again, still modeling pieces. But I've already started preparing for it. As in this Endo jaw, there's holes in the teeth here to prepare it. And as I've stated in other videos, here I put little bits and pieces so I can stick on. Hopefully that can be done soon. But other than that, again, this is a mostly complete Endo. Other than a few bugs and glitches, it's to complete. In the next video, I can hopefully show you some sketch designs of some projects I'm hoping to work on in the future. Like legs or fingers or a Springlock too. I can show you those in the next video. But other than that, thank you for watching. It would really help if you liked, subscribe, and hit the bell notification button, as it really helps me. Sharing it with others would also help me a lot. And thank you for watching, and goodbye.